Hello YouTube, welcome back if you are already a subscriber, and if you are new, welcome. I'm here and I really wanted to do a Valentine's makeup tutorial this year, so I'll be showing you how I did this pink and red eye, and I will also give you two lip options, a very soft wearable pink and this bold red. I know into it. If you are not subscribed already, what you doing? The button is right down there, and if you press the bell, you will always be notified when I post a new video. And who doesn't want that? Without any further ado, let's go. We'll begin by priming my face with NYX's Hydra Touch Primer, as well as The Ordinary's High Spreadability Fluid Primer on both my under eyes and the dry patches on my cheeks. Out and line my brows. Then I conceal. Moving on to my face, I'm using two different concealers, starting with the darkest one first, then moving on to the lighter shade. I'll also be using the lighter shade on my nose, as well as the center of my forehead. I'm also mixing two foundations and only taking a little bit of each just to kind of brighten my face a little bit. Afterwards, I blend both out with a face brush. Next, to give me a clean base, I prime my eyes with my Golden 40 concealer. Then, starting with my 350M palette, I take this light pink shade and build it up on my eyes until it's a very noticeable pink. Then, going into my Midsummer Nights palette, I'm going into the color Bashful with a damp brush and lightly tapping that on my lid. Now going back to my 350 palette, I am mixing these two reddish browns to start building up my crease. Then going into this bright red shade from the Take Me to Brazil palette, I am focusing on my outer corner by gently tapping it. I then decided to use a little bit of brown to make my blending a little more seamless. And I also went back through with Bashful one more time to bring back some of the pink sparkle. Going back into the Brazil palette, I take the red shade and start to smoke out my bottom lash line. And I also did the same with the first pink color we used. After applying lashes, I contoured my face, applied a blush, first a cream and then a powder berry shade, and then set my face. Afterwards, I proceeded to highlight my face with the e.l.f.'s liquid highlighter. A little goes a very long way, so I was trying to be as gentle as possible. Unfortunately, some footage was lost, but for the pink look, I used a brown liner, a pink lipstick, and a pink gloss. For the bold look, I lined my lips with a dark red lipstick, filled it in with a lighter shade, and applied a metallic lipstick to the middle of my top and bottom lip. And that is it. I went ahead and did my hair, and I put these roses in that I made in a previous video, which I will link up here and in the description box. But yes, tell me guys what you think. Which lip do you like the best, the pink one or the red one? Thank you so much for watching all the way through. I appreciate y'all so much. Again, subscribe if you are not already. Press the notification bell so you always know when I post. Comment, give me a thumbs up, share me, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.